Hurricane is deployed in a role of scoring. Bernardo Silva is not deployed in a role of scoring.
Yeah, just a different example of a player.
But you can't compare the two in such a kind of battle.
You're looking at a Hurricane who can play as a 9 and as a 10. Now, if Hurricane is the best player at distributing, supplying the ball to, and he doesn't have probably another somebody else to supply him as well, he will drop back.
You know, I will have agreed with you what you have. If you could have maybe told me that in an essence that Kane realized that it was so coming hard to him, but again, in a game of soccer, you play as a unit. You know to create chances and maybe supply to whoever that has got really created as an open up a space to score for you because you want a win.
Which is what
but you cannot necessarily come and say it and tell me that Hurricane did not necessarily want to score.
No one said that.
Hurricane would have loved to score, but simply because that space was not open to him, he now became
allow me to quickly run through the stats from that game. I wanted to briefly run through the stats, and of course we'll be taking a look at the group standings. Zimmerman had the most passes for the USA. Pulisic had the most crosses. Tyler Adams had the most, only one attempted goal. Pulisic, of course, was also on the assists, and Tyler Adams covered the most distance, with Robinson with the most attempted line break. So this is how, after the two games that were played in Group B, this is how it looks like. England, of course, 3 points, followed by the USA with a point, Wales with a point, and Iran without a point. And of course, the goal difference for Iran is -4 after conceding 6 yesterday and scoring 2. This is how that group looks like at the moment. So right about now, I want us to take a short break. When we come back, we'll be shifting gears. Senegal was in action yesterday against the Netherlands, and the Lions failed to roar against the Orange. That will be after the break.